So with the testing being a third of software development effort, test automation becomes very critical. And traditionally, test automation has had many challenges. Test automation has been, manual, resource intensive, time consuming. As a result, it takes time to automate testing. Coverage is, incomplete. There are significant challenges with scaling automated testing. And obviously, it eats into a lot of cost. To highlight the scalability issue a bit further, there have been far too many tools in the market. There was a time when people thought, Selenium is the panacea for all challenges with automated testing, but that was not to be. Soon we were encountered with several other tools such as, Appium, Cypress, Playwright, and Sikuli, and Squish, and whatnot. And it takes significant effort from people to keep pacing with these evolution of tools, and it is hard to really master each and every tool in the horizon. Of course, there have been evolution of test frameworks trying to resolve these challenges with automated testing. It all started, the framework began with record and play, probably 15 years or 20 years ago. And then frameworks moved on to, becoming data-driven frameworks, keyword-driven frameworks, and BDD-based frameworks. And the current framework that is further evolving is the full-stack framework that leverages machine learning. While these frameworks over the years have tried to address some of the challenges that I just discussed in the previous slide, there is a lot more to be done. And if you look at the current trends, they revolve around two key aspects. One is low code, no code, and another one is leveraging machine learning. And there are a couple of more emerging trends, and I'll discuss that in a minute. Now, when I talk about low code, no code, I don't mean no code as in no script at all. It's about it's about scripts, but not spending time to deliver those scripts. In other words, no manual scripting efforts, but it'll have scripts in the technology of one's choice. It could be Java, JavaScript, TypeScript, it could be C#, it could be .NET. It could be any of the tools that you are familiar with, such as, Selenium, Appium, Cypress, Playwright, WinApp Driver, it could be FlyUI, it could be REST assured scripts, it could be REST Sharp, and whatnot. So what we are talking about is scripting without manual efforts, scripting produced by a platform or a tool, scripting in the technology of your choice, script that could run anywhere as in third-party clouds such as Lambda Test. So that's the platform that we are talking about. That is the trend that we are talking about, low code, no code. And, these help with faster automation of testing, and it'll empower anyone and everyone in the ecosystem to contribute to automation of testing. And the other key trend is about artificial intelligence and machine learning and its application to help with, habitual, continuous testing or the test scripts that are self-healing, that are auto-healing, so that you can truly have autonomous test. So that's the second trend. And the third one is to make test automation unified, comprehensive, not only covering UI testing, but also testing of microservices and web services, as the case may be. Now, let me quickly add, one should also be able to test SaaS or platform as a service without requiring SaaS applications to be developed to be able to test SaaS platforms. So in other words, you should be able to test PaaS when PaaS is ready, or even as PaaS is evolving, and not requiring developers to build apps on top of PaaS. So that's the third trend that is shaping up the current fifth generational test automation framework. And last but not the least, the frameworks, automated testing frameworks, have to support in-sprint automation. In other words, even before a single line of code is developed, you should be able to initiate the process of automation or automated testing. These are the four key trends that is further shaping up the evolution of fifth generational test automation framework.